Welcome to our special YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, I would appreciate it if you subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell to get our amazing video updates as soon as we upload. On this video, it is my pleasure to take you through the top 5 incredible travel destinations of 2023. This year, travelers have ventured to breathtaking locations worldwide, discovering awe-inspiring landscapes, rich cultures, and unique experiences. In this video, we'll take you on a virtual journey to some of the most incredible destinations you won't want to miss. So get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Destination 5. Cape Town, South Africa. Our next destination is the picturesque city of Cape Town, South Africa. Nestled between the majestic Table Mountain and the sparkling Atlantic Ocean, Cape Town offers a unique blend of urban sophistication and natural beauty. Explore the diverse culture, visit the colorful Bo-Kaap neighborhood, or embark on a thrilling safari to spot the Big Five. Aerial view of Cape Town. To truly appreciate the beauty of Cape Town, one must start from the top. From the towering Table Mountain, which majestically overlooks the city, to the pristine beaches stretching along the Atlantic Ocean, the aerial view alone will leave you in awe. Beaches and water activities. Cape Town boasts a wide array of stunning beaches, catering to every beach lover's dream. From the lively Camps Bay, perfect for socializing and sundowners, to the serene Clifton beaches, ideal for relaxation. Not to forget, the adrenaline junkies can indulge in thrilling water activities like surfing, kiteboarding, and even cage diving with sharks. Cultural experiences. Beyond its natural splendor, Cape Town is a melting pot of cultures, making it a vibrant city full of unique experiences. Visit the bustling Victoria and Alfred waterfront, where you can shop for local crafts, savor delicious cuisines, and enjoy live performances by talented street artists. Robben Island. No trip to Cape Town is complete without a visit to Robben Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This historically significant island was once a political prison, where the late Nelson Mandela was incarcerated for 18 years. A guided tour here offers a poignant and educational journey into South Africa's struggle for freedom and democracy. Wine country. Just a short drive from Cape Town lies the world-renowned Cape Winelands. Surrounded by picturesque vineyards and majestic mountains, this region offers exquisite wine-tasting experiences and gourmet delights. A perfect way to unwind and indulge in the finer things in life. Adventure and nature adventure seekers will find their paradise in Cape Town. Hike up Table Mountain, go paragliding over the scenic coastline, or embark on a safari to spot the famous African wildlife nearby. The city's natural beauty is bound to leave you mesmerized. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast, a culture vulture, or simply seeking a relaxing getaway, Cape Town has it all. From its stunning landscapes to its rich history and warm hospitality, this city is a dream destination that will create memories to last a lifetime. So pack your bags and get ready to experience the magic of Cape Town, South Africa. If you are enjoying our content, take a minute and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, and also comment, "I have subscribed." Destination 4. Patagonia, Argentina, Chile. Journeying to the southern tip of South America, we arrive at the awe-inspiring region of Patagonia, shared by Argentina and Chile, where nature's majesty meets adventure and tranquility. This vast wilderness is a playground for adventure seekers, with its towering glaciers, jagged peaks, and untamed landscapes. From hiking the famous Torres del Paine to kayaking through pristine fjords, Patagonia promises an unforgettable experience. Stunning landscapes. Patagonia's landscapes are nothing short of awe-inspiring. From the imposing Andes mountain range to the pristine glacial lakes and rugged coastline, every corner offers a postcard-worthy view. Nature enthusiasts, photographers, and adventurers alike will be left speechless by the region's unparalleled beauty. Outdoor adventures. For the thrill seekers and adventurers, Patagonia is a playground of opportunities. Embark on exhilarating treks to witness stunning vistas, scale rock formations that challenge your limits, kayak through crystal-clear waters, or gallop on horseback through the vast open plains. Patagonia offers an abundance of thrilling experiences that will satisfy your craving for excitement. Wildlife. Patagonia's wilderness is teeming with wildlife. Encounter graceful guanacos roaming freely across the grasslands, spot elusive pumas stealthily traversing the mountains, and witness the majestic flight of Andean condors. Both land and sea offer a chance to get up close and personal with an array of fascinating creatures, making it a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers. Tranquility and serenity. Amidst all the adventure, Patagonia also provides an oasis of tranquility. Lose yourself in the peacefulness of its lakes and forests, where time seems to stand still. Unwind in cozy lodges that offer warmth and comfort, perfect for reflection and rejuvenation. The serenity of Patagonia allows you to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature's calming embrace. Culture and gastronomy. Patagonia's allure extends beyond its natural wonders. Immerse yourself in the rich culture of the region as you witness traditional festivities and vibrant dances that reflect the heritage of the local communities. And let's not forget the delicious gastronomy, where you can savor succulent Argentinian steaks and indulge in fresh seafood from the Chilean coast. If you're seeking an adrenaline-pumping adventure or a serene escape surrounded by breathtaking beauty, Patagonia offers the perfect blend of both. Explore its wonders, embrace its spirit, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Patagonia is calling. Will you answer? Calling. Destination 3. Kyoto, Japan. Prepare to be enchanted by the cultural wonders of Kyoto, Japan. As the former imperial capital, Kyoto boasts an impressive array of historic temples, shrines, and traditional tea houses. Cherry blossom season here is nothing short of magical, painting the city in hues of pink. Immerse yourself in ancient traditions, from tea ceremonies to kimono rentals. We will explore why Kyoto is the perfect place for an unforgettable holiday experience, historic temples and shrines. Kyoto boasts an unparalleled collection of historic temples and shrines, each with its own unique architectural beauty. Steeped in spirituality and history, these sacred sites provide a glimpse into Japan's rich cultural heritage, offering visitors a chance to immerse themselves in the tranquil atmosphere and find inner peace. Traditional Japanese culture. Immerse yourself in the elegance of traditional Japanese culture. Kyoto is known for its well-preserved cultural practices, where geisha and maiko gracefully wander through historic districts like Gion. Participate in a traditional tea ceremony or watch skilled artisans crafting intricate works of art, and you'll find yourself enchanted by the beauty and grace of Kyoto's cultural traditions. Breathtaking natural beauty. In every season, Kyoto's natural beauty takes center stage. Witness the ethereal bloom of cherry blossoms in spring, stroll through the mesmerizing bamboo forest in Arashiyama, and take a relaxing boat ride along the scenic Katsura River. Kyoto's landscapes offer a harmonious blend of serenity and splendor, providing the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Culinary delights. Prepare your taste buds for a culinary adventure. Kyoto's cuisine is a celebration of flavors and presentation, from the freshest sushi and delicate tempura to delectable matcha desserts. The city's dedication to preserving traditional cooking techniques ensures an unforgettable gastronomic experience. Festivals and celebrations. Kyoto knows how to celebrate, and its festivals are a testament to its vibrant spirit. Experience the energy and excitement of events like Gion Matsuri, one of Japan's most famous festivals, and Hanatoro, where the city is adorned with enchanting illuminations. Join in the revelry and create lasting memories with locals and fellow travelers alike. Kyoto, with its historic temples, rich cultural heritage, breathtaking natural landscapes, and culinary delights, offers an unforgettable holiday experience like no other. Whether you seek a spiritual retreat or an exploration of Japan's living history, Kyoto promises to captivate your heart and soul. So why wait? Plan your trip to Kyoto and unlock the magic of this extraordinary destination. If you are enjoying our content, take a minute and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, and also comment, "I have subscribed." Destination 2. Banff National Park, Canada. Up next, we venture on an unforgettable journey to one of the world's most breathtaking destinations. Banff National Park, located in the heart of Canada's majestic Rocky Mountains. Join us as we explore the wonders of this natural paradise and discover why it's the perfect place for your dream holiday. Majestic mountains, standing against the backdrop of towering peaks. Banff National Park boasts an awe-inspiring landscape of snow-capped mountains, crystal-clear lakes, and lush forests. The rugged beauty of the Rockies will leave you spellbound, offering endless opportunities for adventure and exploration. Lake Louise. One of the most captivating features of Banff National Park is its stunning turquoise lakes fed by ancient glaciers. Lake Louise, Moraine Lake, and Pado Lake are among the most famous, boasting colors that seem too surreal to be true. The sight of these pristine waters surrounded by towering peaks will take your breath away. Prepare to be captivated by the breathtaking Lake Louise, a picture-perfect gem surrounded by towering mountains. Whether it's hiking along the shoreline or canoeing on the serene waters, this iconic lake is a must-visit spot. Wildlife spotting wildlife enthusiasts will be in for a treat as Banff is home to an array of fascinating animals. From grizzly bears to elk and elusive mountain goats, you'll have a chance to witness these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. Prepare to encounter the park's diverse wildlife, living harmoniously in their natural habitats. Keep your camera ready, as you might spot majestic elk grazing in meadows, elusive bears wandering through dense woodlands, and soaring eagles gliding high above. Banff offers an opportunity to connect with nature profoundly and unforgettably. Outdoor activities. Banff National Park offers many outdoor activities catering to all interests and skill levels. From serene hikes along gentle trails that wind through emerald forests to exhilarating skiing down powdery slopes, Banff has something for everyone. Whether you're an avid adventurer or simply seeking a peaceful escape, this place will leave you in awe. Hot springs. Relaxing in a natural hot spring, after a day of exploration, treat yourself to the soothing waters of Banff's hot springs. The warm, mineral-rich pools provide the perfect relaxation, surrounded by stunning mountain views. Banff Town. Walking through Banff Town, it's not just a nature lover's paradise. Banff also offers a charming town filled with shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions. When it comes to accommodation, Banff caters to all preferences. Choose from luxurious lodges with world-class amenities to cozy cabins tucked away in the mountains. Wake up to picturesque views and the soothing sounds of nature as you prepare for another day of adventure. Indulge in local cuisine, shop for unique souvenirs, and immerse yourself in the friendly atmosphere. Astronomy nights, gazing up at the starry sky. For stargazers and astronomy enthusiasts, Banff is a designated dark sky preserve, ensuring minimal light pollution. On clear nights, the sky comes alive with a dazzling display of stars, a celestial experience like no other. Beyond the thrilling activities and breathtaking landscapes, Banff provides an excellent setting for forging cherished memories with loved ones. Gather around a crackling campfire under a star-studded sky, sharing stories and laughter, and experience the true magic of the great outdoors. Whether you're an adventurer seeking thrills, a nature lover yearning for tranquility, or someone looking for an unforgettable holiday, Banff National Park offers it all. Its unparalleled beauty, outdoor activities, and serene ambiance make it an ideal destination for an escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Don't miss out on the chance to create lasting memories in this Canadian wonderland. Pack your bags and let Banff's magic unfold before your eyes. Start planning your journey to Banff National Park today. Your unforgettable adventure awaits. Destination 1. Santorini, Greece. Last but certainly not least, we end our journey in the mesmerizing island of Santorini, Greece. Known for its iconic blue-domed churches, whitewashed buildings, and stunning sunsets over the Aegean Sea, Santorini has captivated travelers for decades. This volcanic island offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure, from exploring ancient ruins to indulging in delicious Greek cuisine. Breathtaking scenery. Santorini, a volcanic island in the Aegean Sea, is renowned for its unparalleled beauty. The island's crescent shape was formed by a massive volcanic eruption, creating dramatic cliffs that overlook the crystal-clear waters below. As the sun sets, the sky transforms into a canvas of vivid colors, making Santorini a true paradise for sunset admirers. Iconic architecture. One of Santorini's most iconic features is its unique architecture. The island is adorned with charming whitewashed buildings, accented by blue-domed rooftops, which beautifully contrast against the azure sea and sky. Wandering through the narrow cobblestone streets, you'll feel like you've stepped into a postcard-perfect painting. Culture and history. Beyond its picturesque vistas, Santorini also boasts a rich history and culture. The island is home to ancient archaeological sites, such as Akrotiri, which offers a glimpse into the Minoan civilization that thrived here thousands of years ago. Visitors can also explore museums, taste traditional Greek cuisine, and immerse themselves in the warm hospitality of the locals. Beaches and water activities. For beach enthusiasts and water lovers, Santorini has an array of stunning beaches to choose from. Whether you prefer the black sand beaches of Parissa and Kamari or the red sands of Red Beach, each offers a unique experience. Water activities like snorkeling, scuba diving, and sailing are also readily available, allowing you to make the most of the island's coastal charm. Luxurious accommodations. Santorini takes luxury to a whole new level with its exceptional accommodations. From boutique hotels perched atop the cliffs to lavish resorts with private infinity pools overlooking the caldera, the island offers an array of options to suit every traveler's preference and budget. Romantic getaway. Calling all romantics. Santorini is an ideal destination for couples seeking a dreamy escape. The intimate atmosphere, mesmerizing sunsets, and candlelit dinners by the sea create a truly unforgettable experience for those in love. In summary, Santorini, Greece, is a treasure trove of natural beauty, history, and romance, making it a perfect choice for your next holiday. So whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a romantic getaway, this enchanting island will leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime. Plan your trip to Santorini today and let its magic unfold before your eyes. And there you have it. The top 5 incredible travel destinations of 2023. Each destination offers a unique and unforgettable experience for travelers seeking adventure, culture, and natural beauty. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your next extraordinary journey to one of these breathtaking locations. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey through the top 5 incredible travel destinations of 2023. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more exciting travel content from around the world. Until next time, happy travels.